Hey everyone, good morning. So, maganda that we begin our day with this begin a prayer. Whatever na kung anong ginagawa mo or kung pagigising mo lang kung nasan ka, begin with the prayer. So, kahit anong ginagawa mo, treat it as a worship, service, or a time of prayer in solitude na firm. Yung prayer kasi, ito talaga yung kapag prayer warrior ka, laki ng impact nito sa buhay natin. It's a red hot for God. Totally confident ka kapag start pa lang ng araw mo, you surrender everything to Him, that He is in charge of whatever situations that you have. Kung ano yung gagawin mo, you surrender to Him, that you have that confidence that He's in charge in your life right now. That your prayer is give each one of us a guidance. Your prayer must begin in that way, not asking for help, but a solid foundations that you trust Him. Your life. Just begin the day with that kind of attitude. Just a simple prayer that you're asking if that He preserve you. Don't stop. If you have any dreams, if you have any goals or plan, don't stop and wait for the confidence that God is with you. God is helping you or doing something for you. Don't wait. Just do what He did. He declared what He wants. Either you do it alone or you do it with a small group. Even when you sing, you declare what He is for you. Then that is the right time that you exalt Him, what He is for you in your life right now. After you do that, there is a preserve confidence in you, and take a refuge. Just say to the Lord, "You are my Lord. I have no good apart from you." That you think or treat Him as of highest treasures, that full of joy, that He is a sovereign Lord, that you trust your life. A blessed counselor, that guides you, that your confidence is rising, that you are in the right refuge. That's why in Psalm it flows, and it seems that to you that you are that confident because you have Him, and you have that confidence that whatever situations you pray, that everything is gonna go well with Him. Hope that you learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.